Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix your Diablo II Resurrected not working. So first of all, if you are facing that problem, you're going to have to immediately restart your PC. Once you have restarted your PC, what you have to do is check your Wi-Fi connection. If you think your Wi-Fi is slower, switch it to another Wi-Fi if you have it, and see if it changes anything. Next, let's go ahead and update our Windows. At times, it also matters. So come below at the search bar, type in Windows Update. Then you will see Windows Security, but simply type in Windows Update. You will see check for updates, open it. In here, if there is any updation, you will be able to see it after clicking check for updates. If there is any updation remaining to update, go ahead and update it. It might take a couple while, and once you do so, again, you're going to have to restart your PC. Once everything is done, you're going to have to launch your Diablo 2 again, and it will definitely fix the problem. If it's still not working, then try uninstalling Diablo, reinstall again, and it might change the game.